Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Today's topic is epilepsy. Yesterday I took notes is the same epilepsy. Epilepsy can be defined as chronic seizure disorder or group of disorder characterized by seizures that usually recur unpredictably in the absence of consistent provoking factor. Okay. Seizure means, I told yesterday, it is coming in one time only. Within seconds, it will go. But epilepsy means it is a chronic seizure disorder of a group of disorder. Okay, it is coming grouply. It means so many type of epilepsy is there. Same as seizure, but seizure is means one time occurring, but epilepsy is occurring in a group. And epilepsy is a not contagious. This is not a mental illness or a congenital disability. It is a congenital disability. Okay. And the neurological dysfunction seen in the epilepsy can begin at birth and childhood, adolescence, or even in adulthood. Okay. The neurological dysfunction seen in the epilepsy can be at birth, childhood, adolescence, or even in adulthood. And classification is seizure classification is there, no? Partial seizure, complex seizure, generalized seizure, unclassified seizure, status epileptic. That is the classification of the seizure. Means epilepsy. Partial seizure means a simple seizure without impairment and consequences. Okay, that is a without impairment and consequences. With motor symptom, with special sensory or a somatosensory symptom, and with the psychic symptoms. Next one is the complex seizure. It means with the impairment of a consciousness. And simple partial, one set followed by the impairment of consciousness and impaired consciousness at one set. Next one is the secondarily generalized. It means partial one set involving the generalized tonic-clonic seizure. Okay, in down we can see what is the tonic, what is the clonic seizure. Okay, partial seizure, simple seizure, complex seizure means the impairment of consciousness. This is simple partial one set of following by impairment of consciousness and the impaired consciousness at one set. Next, generalized seizure. It means absent seizure. Yesterday I taken absent seizure. And myoclonic, clonic, tonic, and tonic and clonic, and atonic and infantile spasm. That is the generalized seizure. Next one is unclassified seizure and status epileptics. Okay. In partial seizure means common 80% of patient affecting the partial seizure. You can see in one side jerking of the right half of the face, the patient is fully conscious. Before seizure like this, after seizure, it is coming like this. That is the partial seizure. It is common in 80% patient, and simple partial seizure means do not cause loss of consciousness. Simple partial seizure means it is do not loss of consciousness. What is the signs and symptom of the seizure? It means partial seizure. Motor, convulsive, jerking, chewing, and motion lips smacking. And sensory and somotonostory, parathesis, oiras. Automatic sweating, flushing pupil, dilatation. And behavior, hallucination, dysphasia, and impaired consequence. That is rare only. That is the partial seizure signs and symptoms. Okay, and complex. What is the complex of partial seizure? Impairment of consciousness, purposeless behavior is common, and affected person may wander about aimlessly, aggressive behavior, violence, and automatism, picking at a clothes, and visual, auditory, or olfactory hallucination. That is the complex of partial seizure. Okay, this is the about the partial seizure. Next one is the generalized seizure, affecting both hemispheres. Okay, you can see in both sides it is, but partial means it is affecting the one side only. Generalized seizure means affecting both hemispheres and diffuse. And three types: idiopathic epilepsies, symptomatic epilepsies, and cryptogenic epilepsies. That is the generalized seizure. Idiopathic epilepsies means age-related and genetic origin. Okay, that is the reason of age-related and genetic origin. And symptomatic epilepsy means a consequences of non-suspected underlying disorder of CN, central nervous system. Okay, disorder of central nervous system. Next one is the cryptogenic epilepsies. It means a disorder of a hidden cause. Okay, disorder of a hidden cause, age related. That is the generalized seizure. Understood? What is the partial and what is the generalized?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the absence of seizure. Petigma. It means yesterday I took absence of space, alternating of consciousness, absent lasting 10 into 30 seconds, starting with eye blinking, loss of posterior tone 100 or more daily, and once that occurs from 3 into 60 years, disappear by 40 years. That is the absence of seizure. In up we are discussing now this one. What is myoclonic? What is clonic? What is tonic? That is the down. Myoclonic means sudden involuntary jerking of facial limb or trunk muscles in the rhythmic manner. That is a myoclonic. Okay, sudden involuntary jerking of facial limb or trunk muscles in rhythmic manner. Next one is the clonic. It sustains the muscle contraction alternating with the relaxation. Okay, chronic means sustained muscle contraction alternating with the relaxation. Okay, it is alternately coming. Tonic means sustained muscle stiffening. Okay, tonic means sustained muscle stiffening. Tonic clonic means sudden loss of consciousness. It is togetherly coming means the conscious sudden loss of consciousness. Okay, tonic phase means patient with rigid falls to the ground, respiration are intermittent, back arachus, and last about 1 minute. Clonic phase means rapid muscle jerking, muscle flaccidity, incontinence, tongue biting, tachycardia, heavy salivation. That is the clonic phase. During post-ictal phase, headache, confusion, nausea, drowsiness, disorientation may last for hours. Okay, this is the absence of seizures. It means which one generalized? What is the generalized seizure means? Absent, myoclonic, clonic, tonic, tonic-clonic, atonic, and inflammation phase. Okay, next one is the atonic. Atonic means sudden loss of posterior tone. Patient fall to the ground, occur primary in the children. It is primary in the children. Okay, this is the seizure. It means epilepsy. We are yesterday seizure only, but this is the different types of seizure. That is the epilepsy. Okay, next one is the unclassified seizure. It means that is commonly happening the seizure. Next one is that is the classified seizure. Okay, this is the unclassified seizure. It means status epileptic seizure occur repeatedly with no recovery of a consciousness. Okay, and bowel attacks. It means repeatedly seizure coming and patient also consciousness. Okay, that is the status epileptic. That is the unclassified seizure. It mainly coming in the neonatal play. Next causes, high fever, especially in infant, and drug use, alcohol, etc. Next, near drowning or lack of oxygen from another cause. Next, metabolic disturbances, head trauma, brain tumor, infection, stroke, and complication of diabetes or pregnancy. That is the cause. Next one is the stroke, brain tumor, brain infection, head injury, drug use, alcohol withdrawal, metabolic problem, other neurological condition, high fever, especially in infant, and genetic factors. That is the causes of epilepsy. Okay, epilepsy may occur within developmental diabetes, disabilities, and autism and congenital impairment. It means epilepsy coming in the pregnant stage. In that, after the delivery, baby become a autism and a congenital impairment or developmental disabilities. Okay, but the majority of people who have epilepsy do not have other impairment and live very normal lives. Okay, it means epilepsy coming means that is not a patient here. He can do all things. He can live lively, good and good life also. Okay. Next one is the diagnostic procedure. First one is the EEG, electroencephalogram. Next one is the MRI, CT, and PET, posterior emission tomography, and single frontal emission computerized tomography. That is SPECT. Okay. Anyway, first we will do the EEG only. It means electroencephalography. That is the good diagnostic procedure of the epilepsy. And anything having in the EEG means go for a CT. And next MRI, next is SPECT, next PET. Okay. How management? Management means this is the seizure type. Simple partial, complex partial, primary generalized, tonic-clonic, absence, myoclonic, atonic, status of epileptics, and psychomotor and larynx gas. That is the type of the seizure. In type, we will do the management. Okay. Epilepsy means so many seizure type. In seizure type, we will provide the medication. Okay, here we are given, I am given the some medication name, but the diazepam, no, diazepam is the first choice of the epilepsy medicine. It means firstly epilepsy coming time, we will give the diazepam only, first dose. Then we will go after diagnostic, we will go for which size of seizure coming, and we will manage this medication. Okay, understood? Epilepsy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Huh? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. 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 Yes, ma'am
லெட்ஸ் டிவில சோறு என்ன பண்ணா எடுத்துட்டு போவான் சாப்பிடல வினேஷ்
ஏன்
அது சாரு கூட எங்கேயோ போயிருக்கு